Who said keto has to be boring? Stick around for the best keto Thai shrimp cakes you will ever have. Start with 1 pound of cleaned and deveined shrimp into a food processor. Add 3 tablespoons cilantro. I like to keep the roots and stems on. 2 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. Salt to taste. Half a teaspoon white pepper. Feel free to use regular black pepper if you don't have any white pepper. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Baking powder helps the cakes to puff up. Chop everything together until you get a fine paste. Make sure to scrape all the sides. These shrimp cakes make such a great finger food for a party, and kids love them just as well as adults. Use a small ice cream scoop to scoop out small balls into 1 cup of almond flour. Roll the balls into the almond flour and make small patties. One cup of coconut oil. You can also use ghee or avocado oil here. Once the oil is hot, drop the cakes into the pan. Fry them for 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. I like keeping the color to a light golden brown. Remove the shrimp cakes from the oil and drain them on a paper towel. These go really well with the keto sweet chili sauce. You can find the recipe for that on my website, ketowithmona.com.